Welcome to Arrow, your go-to channel for insightful perspectives on the world's most pressing events. At Arrow, our contributors are professionals and distinguished individuals who have excelled in their fields, bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to our platform. Our contributors are doctors, nurses, and medical researchers who are at the forefront of medical innovation and patient care. Financial analysts, advisors, and economists who provide insights into the ever-changing world of finance. Attorneys and legal scholars who offer perspectives on legal issues and justice. Educators and academic professionals dedicated to shaping the minds of the future. Thought leaders and spiritual guides who explore the intersections of faith and society.
Scientists and researchers who push the boundaries of knowledge and discovery. Talented writers who craft compelling narratives and thought-provoking content. Entrepreneurs who have launched successful startups and innovative businesses.
Artists, composers, and songwriters who bring creativity and cultural richness to our platform. Journalists who bring us important news events. Athletes who have competed at the international level, representing their countries with pride and excellence.
Our team is truly global, with contributors located all over the world. This international presence allows us to offer diverse perspectives on topical events and issues, ensuring that our content resonates with a broad audience. Age is no barrier at Arrow. We believe that wisdom and innovation come from individuals of all ages. Some of our contributors have filed patents and trademarks, while others have established multiple private and public companies, showcasing the entrepreneurial spirit that drives our platform.
At Arrow, we believe that every voice deserves to be heard. Our commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion is at the core of everything we do. We are constantly on the lookout for people with diverse perspectives, regardless of where they are located. We understand that true progress and innovation come from embracing a wide range of experiences and viewpoints.
Are you passionate about the world and eager to make a difference? Do you have unique insights and expertise that you want to share with a global audience? Join the Arrow team today and become part of a dynamic community that values your contribution. Together, we can create content that informs, inspires, and drives positive change in society. Subscribe for more, and tap the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.